Hi, I'm Scott Sinclair for Enterprise Strategy Group on location at Dell Technologies World. As you can see, I'm coated in Dell blue here right outside the Expo Center. One of the big things that we're seeing is just a massive level of excitement as organizations are embracing AI and looking for solutions to help them accelerate their own AI initiatives. And at the centerpiece of that story is the Dell AI Factory. Now, the Dell AI Factory is a collection of services, infrastructure, and other solutions really designed to help organizations, whether they're training or tuning models, helping with inference, anything they might do around AI. And we're going to take a look at some of those innovations here in just a moment as I'm going to walk the show floor and show you what it's all about. Check it out. What we're seeing is the XE9680. Now, this is a PowerEdge server that supports 8 NVIDIA GPUs. Announced this year, though, is the follow-on, the XE9680L. Now, this will support 8 NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs in 4 rack units, so increased density. Now, in order to support that density, Dell is offering direct liquid cooling. And this is something that we as an industry need to embrace in order to make sure that we can still maximize the latest GPU technology while still managing the power consumption. Amazing innovation powering the next wave of AI. What we're seeing here is PowerStore Prime, a new storage system offering better performance according to Dell and a new 5-to-1 data reduction guarantee. Now, this data reduction guarantee is something that the Enterprise Strategy Group was able to verify through our validation services. Here is the PowerScale F910 all-flash file. Now, this is a new version or a new node in the PowerScale family designed to help accelerate large volumes of data. Now, this is certified with NVIDIA DGX SuperPods to help you support your AI initiatives. And also, according to Dell, it is twice as fast as the nearest competition. Surrounding all of those infrastructure innovations we just witnessed is Dell's portfolio of services to help organizations accelerate their AI initiatives. Now, Dell offers the services to help organizations define their AI strategy, identify the right use cases for their organization, prep data in order to train and tune models, just a full range of services. And at the end of the day, what this means is if you're an organization, which you should be, that's investigating AI and looking for a place to start, Dell has established itself as a leader in the industry that you can go to for that level of advice. More than just infrastructure, you can go there for expertise, services, as well as those infrastructure solutions. And with that, thanks for watching. Have a great day.